So, attack. So we attack all the yellow buildings, yeah? No.
Yeah, not that one.
Yeah, not that one.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah, we don't attack that one, we attack this and this. But, where do we want to attack first? Because if they're going to shoot out windows, there's gaps there. As soon as we go for that one, they'll shoot us from there. Well, I don't know where you want to attack from.
See, they were down there last time. They were down there, but there's a window
Yeah,
on the other side.
yeah, but they couldn't get to there. It's good, go on. Oh mate, did you hear any of that?
No.
We're attacking those yellow buildings, that yellow building, that yellow building. Just not the entrance to the kitchen.
Mary's gonna rape your asses!
Just not the kitchen entrance, yeah?
Yeah.
Nice.
Unless you want to run all the way through.
Right, how many guys are going this side? How many guys are going over there? Yeah. The only problem is though, we concentrate one building at a time. There's some of the windows open, so they can shoot us from different areas.
This is clarified with Tim.
Right?
They cannot shoot out the windows.
They're not allowed now.
We just asked Tim, Tim said they couldn't.
Alright then, that's solved then. There you go. Guys, don't have to shoot out, they can't shoot out the windows, they're not allowed. They can't shoot out, they're not allowed to shoot out the windows. So we can do that now. Well, if they're not allowed to shoot out the windows, go this way. There's quite a few of them going this way, I believe. I'm gonna get that on camera. Brilliant. Wait, does that work? Hey mate, does that work? There we go.
This is getting a bit silly. He's up now. He's turned his up now.
Oh!
Are you sure, do you know what?
That's lovely.
That's a bit cocky, isn't it?
Sorry?
It's a bit cocky, isn't it? We're going this way, yeah?
Everybody, please stop shooting me in the dick.
Wait, how many guys are going this side?
He's not so cocky.
One building.
Alright. We're all going from one building to the next
So we're all
building.
pushing this way.
We're gonna push that way, yeah.
Yeah, you got to do the war cry on the way in. The walking screen.
Oh yeah, you want me to do that again? I suppose we've got respawns, there's no reason not to. Yeah. Yeah, I've got you in the dress, don't worry. I've got you in the dress and people shooting him in the dick. I've got you in a dress and the guy getting shot in the dick.
Shit myself if I get shot.
Go.
So if I don't go for a poo soon, I'm going to shit myself getting shot. Literally.
Oh, let's get in this. Oh, let's get in this. Go! Guys!
I'm just making sure that...
Ready?
They put everyone in one building, is that yeah?
They put everyone in one building.
I can fucking feel it in me dick.
They put everyone in one building, I think.
Just clear it anyway. There might be people upstairs, just clear it anyway.
Send guys upstairs.
Check upstairs! Check upstairs! Huh?
Upstairs.
Yeah?
This is clear.
Clear? Clear? It's clear, guys.
Upstairs.
It's clear. Check upstairs. It's clear.
What's this floor?
It's clear. This room's clear. Right, do you want to help this lot? Come on then. Guys! Who's it? What's it look like?
Are they on those doors?
They could be. No one there. you get shot? You got loads of splatter over your face. Oh, fucking hell. Yeah, keep doing that.
Chris.
Keep banging on the wall.
Yeah, I'll do it.
Is there anyone this side? Is there anyone here, dude? There's a guy standing right there.
Looking through the window.
Blind him. Alright.
My groin is here.
Oh man. I'm not ready for that. Blowing fire! Guy just poked his gun round the corner and started shooting. Dead player! Oh, was that me? I didn't even see. Whoa, we nearly shot him in the head. Wait, just try. Don't worry, darling, I'll protect you. Oh! He touched me in inappropriate ways. If you're out, walk. Marshall! Marshall! Oh, fuck me. You right? Yes, mate, you got him.
Referee coming in! Referee! Shoot back!
Oh dear. Red team, they're allowed to shoot out the windows now! Ben, they're allowed to shoot out the windows now. Right, I'm gonna move. Did they shut the door? Oh, fuck me! Oh, motherfucker. Where's that spawn again? I forgot. Oh, it's all the way back there. Well. Where did they get you?
Eh?
Where's the respawn? Oh, nice. Just up there.
I wouldn't be getting battle by that.
I think I'm going to do my charge and run in a second. Just fuck it. Get him. Is there any more upstairs? Really? Oh, we need to get there then.
I've got 3 shots. So I'm going to just go up there and get killed.
Yeah? Do you want to borrow my knife?
What's happened there?
Nothing. You're not allowed to use it apparently. So it's just there for looks at the moment. Sorry? Right. Money walking. Right! Let's try again. Go, 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 go. Dude, bottom floor's empty.
Ground floor's clear.
Ground floor's clear, it's empty.
Ground floor's clear.
Oh, alright then.
Top of the stairs. One at the top of the stairs.
Sorry! Go on! Sorry about that, dude. I didn't mean to overshoot you. Sorry, man. I didn't mean to overshoot you. I just overshot a poor lad. I just overshot a poor lad.
Say sorry.
Yeah, I said I'm so sorry. Fuck it, I'm behind him. Just one after another, yeah? Yeah! Kind sir. Oh, dude! Got caught on my marker. Can we move up? Oh, guys, can we move up?
One low, one medium, one high. Oh, you've got bare guts going in here, like. Yeah, he's gone.
I'm not very good left then. Oh, I felt that skin on my head.